Okay, we're back now from notching the wood here. Basically what I did was I took this drill over here, this is a 1/2 inch spider bit, and just drilled down through one of the corners, roughed this up, as far as just drawing it out, pencil wise, just what was going to be needed to chop out to be able to get it flush against the back wall, so that it can make the bottom part of our frame. So again, just cut out the corner, then use the reciprocating saw here and just made it cuts in and across. The drill bit there, 1/2 inch, lets me be able to go fit the blade in there and then make the cut this way. So again, you can see I'm kind of partial to the Ryobi tools. I do have a lot of the battery systems and everything here, but they work great for around the house. So definitely recommend them. They are very good for housework. So I'm going to bring this in here now. We should be able to fit it up. I'm just going to kind of mock it in here right now, so you have plenty of space that it's going to fit in here. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to drill a hole in the top, kind of put in a screw, and then actually use that screw to hold it so I can kind of drop it into place. It's going to sit kind of just flush or just below, because I want to be able to make sure that the mirror fits into that hole. So I'm actually going to sit it down, somewhere probably around here. Just want to make sure it's flat in the wall. You can see I have drilled a couple holes here for where the screws are going to go. So I'll basically hold this in place and screw it in. So we'll show that next.